Hello, friends. Photos of Ford's new model F-150 Platinum will tell you more. Thanks for watching. In the meantime, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. For everything else that makes a truck, including a variety of off-roading options topped off by the wild new Raptor R, the F-150 delivers. Try out the Ram and GM trucks to be sure, but definitely don't ignore this Ford. Well, the F-150 has unique bed elements. The elevator door assistant makes stepping into a quick and easy process. The second is a new development. The F-150 mobile generator and power plant, a 2.0 kilowatt system, is optional for the engines, adding a 240-volt 30-amp output. And finally, the third is the available onboard scales and smart hitch, which makes transport and towing very easy and safe. The lineup starts with a 3.3-liter naturally aspirated V6 good for 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy is a 21 mpg combined with rear-wheel drive, and 20 mpg combined with four-wheel drive. Next up is the first of two EcoBoost engines, which is just fancy Ford talk for turbocharged. The 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 produces 325 GP and 400 lb-ft of torque, while returning 21 or 22 mpg combined, depending on different factors. Don't be surprised if your real-world fuel economy is much lower than that. We'd still choose the silky smooth 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, though, which pumps out 400 GP and 500 lb-ft of torque. Fuel economy is between 19 and 21 mpg combined, depending on drivetrain in regular models, or 18 with the Tremor. Every F-150 has a 10-speed automatic, and most come standard with rear-wheel drive. The basic four-wheel drive system has an open diff at the rear, while the upgrade one has an electronic locking rear diff. And 5-passenger F-150s offer a center console with a unique armrest flap that folds forward to become a flat surface for storing a laptop, paperwork, or a curbside ride. To make this origami possible, the shifter is only in the parked position. Ford has also significantly increased the tilt and telescoping of the steering wheel, resulting in an impressively more comfortable SUV-like driving position. Heated driver and front passenger seats are part of the design with leather accents and platinum branding. For the mostly dark interior, orange trim stitching adds a nice touch to the platinum. You can even adjust most of the truck's large knobs and controls while wearing gloves. The spaciousness of the crew cab means you won't be short of space either. The spacious exterior can be seen partly around the large windows and side mirrors. The first time you look inside the cabin, it's the Platinum that speaks. They include wireless Apple CarPlay and built-in navigation and voice assistant, an off-road display and controls for speaker audio, as well as climate control. The Platinum also features wireless phone charging and front and rear USB-A and USB-C ports. In addition, the surrounding camera system provides comprehensive vision. As for that big 12-inch screen, its Sync 4 interface is bigger than the standard 8-inch unit, while significantly improving functionality. It's also the digital instrument cluster that's colorful and clear, and the content of the extensive infotainment function is faultless. In government crash tests, every cab style received a perfect 5 stars for overall, frontal, and side crash protection. Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named it a top safety pick for its performance in all relative crash tests and for its crash prevention technologies. Its headlight ratings were rated poor, acceptable, and good depending on trim level and equipment.